Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth, eye-catching animations in just a few minutes using Canva AI. So you can start by opening the canva.com or use Canva apps on your mobile. Then just head into the Canva AI in here, and now I'm going to just click on the video clip to make the animations video. Now you can just describe the idea that you want to bring to life. So for example, I'm going to go with this prompt right here, a little girl walking through a glowing forest at sunset. Now for the style, I'm going to go with cartoon. And now you can just hit on submit and let Canva AI do its magic. Okay, so the animations is done. Now you can just hit on the video and hit on the play button to preview the result. So the video is also come with audio, but if you want to edit it more, you can use these options to make it cinematic maybe, or use a close-up shot, use a golden hour lighting, or you can also use the Canva editor at top. But if you're already satisfied with the result, you can also just click on this drop down to download it right away. So that's how you can create animations in Canva AI. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.